Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce for sales. Salesforce is a powerful platform designed to help sales professionals manage their customer relationships and streamline their entire sales process. It provides a centralized hub for all your sales activities, allowing you to efficiently track leads, manage opportunities, and record every customer interaction. This guide will help you navigate its core features to boost your effectively managing your leads and accounts is crucial. Salesforce allows you to capture new leads, nurturing them through the sales funnel until they become qualified opportunities. You can create detailed account records for each customer, storing all relevant information in one place. This includes contact details, communication history, and past purchases, ensuring your team has a complete view of every client relationship. Universal Media Server excels at automatically detecting compatible devices on your local network, such as smart TVs, game consoles, and smartphones. On the Status tab, you will see a list of detected renderers. Simply select the device you wish to stream to. Then, using your device's interface, you can browse your shared media folders and start playing your favorite content seamlessly, usually within a few seconds. Finally, Salesforce empowers you with robust reporting and analytics. You can generate custom reports to analyze sales performance metrics, such as conversion rates, average deal size, and sales cycle length. These insights help you understand sales trends, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. By continuously optimizing your strategies based on real data, you can achieve consistent sales growth and success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.